Did you know that one of history's greatest logical minds carried a secret he could never explain? On the night of November 23, 1654, Blaise Pascal had an experience that shook him to his core. He was 31 years old. He had already invented the calculator, helped build probability theory, and changed how the world understood mathematics. Then something happened that no equation could touch. For 2 hours he felt something overwhelming, something he described only as fire. Pure, total, undeniable. He wrote it down in a frantic rush. Then he folded the paper, sewed it into the lining of his coat, and never told a single soul. Every time he got a new coat, he moved the note into the new lining. He did this for 8 years until the day he died. A servant found it hidden in the fabric. Here is what that tells us. The most rational mind in the room still knew that not everything worth keeping can be proven. Some truths live closer to the skin than to the page.